Back 7. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable or create threads on your Discord mobile. So first things first, you need to have Discord installed, and this feature is a new feature which recently became available, and it allows you to sidetrack conversations happening in your main chat. And after your chat has been completed, then well, as you can see here, we have say hello to threads. Threads help you to organize conversations, as I've just said. Let me show you how to create or enable threads. Now from your chat, as you can see, I'm in a random chat which I created. Well, no one is in my server. I'm not that popular. So as you can see from general, what you need to do is to click this icon at the top beside the members icon with the hashtag and the chat. And as you can see, we could create threads. Now we could call this thread anything. Let's just call it that for now. And as you can see here, send a message to start a thread in this channel. It will be archived after 24 hours of inactivity. So let's say hello and let's send. And as you can see, the thread has been started by myself, and as you can see, we have a number indicator here showing that a thread has been active, and we have the option to see archived threads here. We could simply create from here as well. Now any member of your chat will have the option of creating a thread. So yeah, that is how you go about creating a thread for your chat. And as you can see, we have the option here as well. And that is how you go about creating Discord threads on Discord mobile. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope this little tutorial was helpful. Hacker 7 out.